By the meeting of the ropes, I just fell to my knees when I knew I had to make a choice. It's a shame you said that I may never know how far I can sometimes go. How far I can sometimes go. And while my boat is drifting away by the shore of Miami Bay, I'm still trying to figure out the end of what I was starting to say. And you found all the footprints that I left in the loan when I spied on you every night. And I wish there was a secret that you said in your sleep, just a word that I could keep, or just a word